Troubleshooting paper output device. Check if this terminal has poor contact. Use a suitable hexagon screwdriver to loosen the bottom screw. Don't completely loosen it, just loosen it. Carefully open the lid and check that this white plug is connected correctly to the main board. If not, the paper outlet will not work. It's this white plug. If it is connected correctly, then unplug it and level the base plate. The main problem is poor contact here. To remove it with a tool requires a pair of nose pliers and a hexagon screwdriver. A close-up demonstration of how to remove the terminal. It is connected like this on the machine. You can take it out by prying open the left and right sides with a tool. Loosen the screws and check the red and black wires. Extend the exposed part of the cable head. Treat the cable and reinstall it. Use a tool to tighten the screws and re-secure the terminals. When installing back the base plate, remember to plug the white terminal back in.